Good morning, YouTube, from Amsterdam. It is at Amsterdam Schiphol Airport. My flight to Manchester today is going to be going out at, boarding starts at about 3:25, 15:35 for those who are not using the American clock. So at this hotel, they got some breakfast going on. So we're gonna peep it. You know, I really appreciate everyone watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Today's Wednesday, June 1st at 7:54 p.m. I got a view of the hotel room in the tower right here. It's quite beautiful. And here we go. We are gonna go get some breakfast, try to get some late checkout, and kind of just like wake up before we get to the flight. We're waiting for, looks like this one's gonna go down. One more, I think. Oh, yeah, my bad. Can I get a late checkout?
This is the number?
544.
And what time would you like to check out?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Alright, we're going up. Where is the breakfast at? Can I order the Poffertjes?
Yes, of course.
How do I say it? Poffertjes? Or did I say it right?
I'm not sure how to say because I'm not
you're
Dutch either.
It's okay. I like this one.
Yeah?
It's really good.
I will show you to the table.
Oh yeah, sure. I just ordered some Poffertjes. Can't even say it. Basically, they're like little small, quarter-sized pancakes with butter and sugar, powdered sugar. Some powdered sugar. And yeah, that's enough sugar. Cheers. It's kind of cold. The place I went to yesterday in Central, they were making some smacking Poffertjes. These ones, these are some mids. Still edible. Still good. And that's that. I'm gonna go back to the room and start packing up my stuff. Apparently it's really busy in the airport, so probably just gonna go wait in the line and wait. But I'm about to get some coffee and take a little break, pack up all my stuff. I just finished packing up all my stuff. Let's take a look outside. It's not raining, so we're in the good here. Number 30, alongside the Rolling Thunder 22 carry-on with the large fuse box with the North Face fanny pack that you hold right here. Make sure that my valuables are always in the front of my eyes. If you guys want a video in the future about what I put in my bag and how I pack everything, leave a comment, leave a like, let me know that you want that video and I can go into more depth about what I bring. I'm gonna sign off here. I'll see you guys after I check my bag and we're walking toward the gate. Yeah, really good. Oh, it was lovely. That's
Oké.
fine. Yeah.
Oké, dus kan ik posten toch? Doe ik posten toch? Oh nee, doe ik niet. Posten. So I see a few things left.
Thank you.
Have a nice day.
Thank you too.
Bagage. Do you want to check any luggage?
Just this part.
Yes. Oh, we have to. Yes. It's too heavy. Maybe you want to take something out of it?
How heavy is it?
It's 25. Like it's almost 26.
Well, how much do I?
23. So you have to.
Should I do two? Can I leave it on the scale while I take it out to see the weight?
Yeah, no problem.
Or should I take it off right now?
No, it's good.
Okay.
Is the GoPro, is it on?
Yes. So I dropped off my bag and went to the lounge and it's closed, completely closed. They said that it would open up back at 8 o'clock. There's too many people, there's too many delays. There's a Starbucks right here. Starbucks doesn't hit the same as back home. My flight leaves in about 3 or 4 hours and I need to kind of kill some time. Right guys, so I just got to upstairs and I found a good place to eat. We're at a very common, very traditional place. Mickey D's. But we're gonna just take it slow because I don't know how hungry I am. I also got this Capri Sun right here. This Capri Sun is cherry flavored, but it comes in this big pouch with a closable and openable drinking. See? You open it right here. No need for a straw or to poke it or whatever. This makes way more sense, so we need this. Write this down on the list. We need this. Alright, definitely should have got more food. This is stupid of me. This smacks so good. Look at this. Fire. Fire. That's a lot of sugar. But